friends. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, parallel lines. What is meant by parallel lines? See the definition. The lines which are coplanar and do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Coplanar means in the same plane. Here we can see line L and line M are in the same plane, and if we extend them, they do not intersect each other. So these are the parallel lines. In this plane also you can see if these lines are also parallel lines. Now we will see the pair of corresponding angles, pair of alternate interior angles, pair of alternate exterior angles, and pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. In this figure, we can see L and M are the parallel lines and N is the transversal. So, by this transversal, there are 8 angles. You can see here the angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, then E, angle F, angle G, angle H. So, 2 parallel lines and 1 transversal can form 8 angles. So, let us see first the pairs of corresponding angles. In this case, you can see angle D and angle H are the corresponding angles. Angle A and angle E are the corresponding angles. C and G are corresponding angles, as well as D and F are corresponding angles. Angle D and angle H, angle A and angle E. These are the pair of corresponding angles. Then again angle C and G. Then B and F. Pair of B is angle F. Then pairs of alternate interior angles. Alternate means like this, and interior means these are the interior angles. So pair of interior angle, alternate interior angle is C, angle C and angle E, angle B and angle H. Angle C, angle E, angle B, angle H. These are the pairs of alternate interior angles. Now alternate exterior angles. These are the exterior angles and these 4 are the interior angles. So pair of alternate exterior angles. Angle D and angle F. Angle A and angle G. Exterior angle. Alternate. D and F. Angle D and angle F. Angle A and angle G. Next is pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angle pair on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal. So there are interior angles on the same side are angle C and angle H, then angle B and angle E. So these are the pairs. Now we will see some important properties. When two lines intersect, the pairs of opposite angles formed are congruent. When two lines intersect, the pairs of opposite angles formed are congruent. Next is the angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Linear pair are supplementary means the sum of those angles is 180 degree. Supplementary means sum is 180 degree. Next, third. When one pair of corresponding angles is congruent, then all the remaining pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. If one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then remaining three pairs are also congruent. When one pair of alternate angles is congruent, then all the remaining pair of alternate angles are congruent. If one pair of alternate angle means pair congruent असतात. Fifth property, when one pair of interior angles on one side of the transversal is supplementary, then the other pair of interior angles is also supplementary. म्हणजेच ट्रान्सव्हर्सलच्या एका साईडचे इंटेरियर अँगल्स जर सप्लिमेंटरी असतील तर त्याचे दुसरे पेअर इंटेरियर अँगल्सचे ते सुद्धा सप्लिमेंटरी असतील. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंटेरियर अँगल थिअरम. See the statement. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. You can see M and L are the parallel lines and N is the transversal. So the interior angles, you can see angle A and angle B is one pair and angle D and angle C is one pair. These pairs are supplementary. That means sum of angle A and angle B is 180 degree and sum of angle C and angle D is 180 degree. Next theorem is corresponding angles and alternate angles theorem. Statement. The corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला दिसून येत आहे अँगल L आणि अँगल M. These are the parallel lines and N is the transversal. Corresponding angles A and B. These angles are of equal measures by the theorem. Next is alternate angle theorem. The alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Means L आणि M ह्या parallel lines असतील आणि N ही transversal असेल तर alternate angles D आणि B हे equal measuresचे असतील. या थिअरमचे डिटेल्स आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघणार आहोत. थँक्यू.